Hey beautiful people, we are back at another property. This is a 4-bedroom 2-bath home. I really love this builder because they are offering to pay all of your closing costs. So if you have any closing costs, which you will, they're going to pay all of your closing costs. And if you guys have a higher credit score, then they're willing to help you buy down your rate. And she says she could possibly help you buy down your rate all the way to about a 4.9%, which is really good knowing that we are in the 7% right now. So if you're interested in this, definitely call or text me 407-374-2747. Now this is a 1-story home, so it's nothing upstairs. Everything is on one level, so this is good if you guys have like little kids. Maybe you're having your parents stay with you, or maybe yourself, you just want to have a 1-story home. This is perfect for you guys. And this is your closet right outside of your bathroom. So you have 2 full baths. So that was one of them that we've seen, and this is one of the bedrooms here. I love this a lot for your little ones. They will probably love that too. Let's check out the closet. So a nice spacious closet. So they have carpet in all of the bedrooms. Only you guys are not going to see carpet outside in the hallways or in the living room and dining room, which is really good. I really like that. You're only going to see that in the bedrooms. So here is the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. It's very, very open. And they're including your appliances. So you guys are going to get the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, and the dishwasher. So that is something really nice. And they have the outlets here. Here is your pantry, nice and spacious. So that is really nice too. Let me do another swivel so you guys can see exactly what you're getting. Now, it's a ceiling fan up there, but they do not include the ceiling fans. That is something that you guys are going to see, but you guys are going to have to get that after you move in. A nice size island is available. They have a covered lanai. This is also really nice. A lot of the homes, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen with me, do not have the covered lanai, but this one is really nice. And they have a few homes that's going to be available in 60 days. One of them that just came back onto the market right now. So that is really good. And the biggest thing about this one too, you guys, is I really love them paying all of your closing costs plus helping you buy down that rate. So that is really amazing. So that's making sure that you get a good interest rate, and all you really have to do is worry about your down payment. Now they are in the USDA area, which means no money down by itself. That's a no money down option, USDA. So I really like that option for some people, but I guess we'll have to check to see what type of rate you're going to see. Now here is the primary bedroom. So beautiful. Yes, this is the primary bedroom here. Nice and spacious. Plus, that tub is so spacious and nice. I love the windows, so it's nice and bright in here. And then you have the shower. Then here is your closet. So a lot of space in the closet here. Now again, all your closing costs will be paid by them. They're also helping you buy down your rate. You can customize and build your home. So you see how you see this here? You can actually customize and build your home. It's going to take them about 6 to 8 months. If you guys get a 2-story home, because they do have it available, it is going to take them an additional month and a half to be able to build that. But you guys can be able to build your home and pick like exactly what you want in your home, the layout, the different models. This is just one layout. You guys can definitely get a different layout. And I like that they have all of the different additional features here, you guys. So this is really nice. Like I said, it's going to take them a little longer if you decide that you want to pick certain things that you want to get put in your home. But they do have some available if you want to see what they have available and you want to get those different homes now. And they're paying your closing costs right now and helping you buy down your rate. So you have 4 full bedrooms in here that you guys can definitely see. And I'm pretty sure they have some 3 bedrooms. I have to ask to see if they go all the way up to 5 bedrooms. It's not something I did not ask about. But like I said, you could customize these homes. And then again, you guys are going to get the microwave. You guys want to get the stove. You're going to get the fridge. And then on this side, you'll see you're going to get the dishwasher. She did say you can get your cabinets upgraded. If you want to get white, you can get white at no additional charge. So that is something that you guys can definitely ask about. So just call me if you guys have any questions. And then this is your laundry area here. Again, appliances, a washer and dryer is not included. You guys can get that afterwards, but you guys can go like to Home Depot and get like 1 to 0% intro APR cards and get something like that, and then slowly pay it off and finance it if that's something that you guys want to do, because that is not included, but you guys are going to get your main appliances included. I love that you can just hang everything up here. This is really nice. You can put a shoe rack here if you wanted to. Have an office here, or you can change this into an actual bedroom. So yeah, you guys have a lot of options when it comes down to this home here. So again, let me know if you have any questions. Phone number is 407-374-2747. Again, 407-374-2747. Like this. A little bit more storage. Some medicine cabinet there. And it's 2 bedrooms right off of the bathroom. So you got this bedroom here. You got that one there. You can make this office, use your office, this your office, whichever one you want to do, which is really good. You see all of them have ceiling fans. If you want, you can put the ceiling fans in yourself because it's not actually going to be included. But you guys have options when it comes down to them. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this home. I am going to be doing a few open houses. So if you guys ever in Orlando or near Orlando and you want to come in, we provide lunch for you guys and show you the different homes that is available. And you guys always get incentives. So I always teach you guys how to get an extra $1,000 or $2,000 to go towards your closing. Plus, a lot of these builders are offering, you know, $20,000, or like this builder offering to pay all of your closing costs. So definitely let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.